Hello, I'm Julian Boyce,
And I'm Simon Crosby Buttle.
and together we are Volante Opera Productions. And we're here today to introduce our special festive project.
Every year around this time, we usually get together with some of our friends and perform Christmas concerts where we donate the proceeds to charity.
Once it became clear that in all likelihood we wouldn't be able to do them this year, we looked for another way to bring some music to the festive season and to hopefully raise some funds for a charity that benefits the community.
We discussed various ideas with Rosie Hay, JC Hall and Helen Greenaway. And between us, we came up with the plan to create a musical advent calendar.
We're absolutely delighted that a group of very talented professional musicians, who also happen to be our friends, have agreed to take part.
From their own homes, using an unconventional variety of techniques for holding phones and tablets in place, they've given of their time and creativity to make this into an amazing project.
Each day throughout December, there'll be a video posted of a new arrangement or adaptation of a Christmas favourite to bring some joy and festive cheer into your homes.
We have chosen to raise money for Shelter Cymru, and if you would like to help, please use the donate buttons or the links in the video descriptions.
So if you can, please help us with likes, shares, follows and retweets.
But most of all, enjoy the videos and please come back each day for the next instalment.